Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing. Make sure the remote works and the TV is on. Note the model in case you need support. Once ready, press Settings and open All Settings. Navigate to General or System where mode's live. Now, locate Home/Store mode or Retail mode. This is the control that enables the store demo. At this stage, you will switch from Store to Home. Make the change now so the TV stops demo looping and shows normal menus. Once you find the store mode control, toggle it off and select Home mode or Normal operation. This tells the TV to stop demo behavior. You may see a confirmation prompt, accept it. Make sure you do not power cycle the TV while settings apply, because that can revert the change. After switching, inspect inputs, sleep and advertising settings to ensure no demo features remain. If accounts or demo apps appear, sign them out or disable the app. That completes the central change. You finish by rebooting the TV to lock in settings. Once it restarts, verify you see the normal home screen and that apps behave normally. If demo features persist, check for a system update and install it, then reboot again. As a last resort, perform a factory reset, but be aware this wipes settings. If nothing works, contact LG support with the model and software version. Troubleshooting tip: update firmware first. Outdated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.